The Supreme Court today dismissed a public interest litigation PIL filed by Dr. K.A. Paul, which sought the introduction of physical ballot voting in India by replacing the electronic voting machines. The PIL also included a request for directions to the Election Commission to disqualify candidates for at least 5 years if found guilty of distributing money, liquor or other inducements during elections. Dr. Paul, who appeared as the petitioner in person, argued before a bench of Justices Vikram Nath and P.B. Varale that these measures were necessary to ensure free and fair elections. However, the court dismissed the petition, saying political parties claim EVM tampering only after electoral loss.